I introduce you about quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is the form. Okay, the equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, and where abc is constant. Constant. Okay. And a different from 0. Okay. The quadratic equation they have the form y. Sometimes they say a squared plus bx plus c, and a different from 0. Okay. Hello. Yeah. And they have the family of polynomial. Okay, the family polynomial. Okay, they have table. Okay. Y equal to ax plus b. A different from 0. Okay, it's the type linear. Okay, it means that ax plus b is the line, the formula of the line, and y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. It means that a different from 0. It is okay. It called a quadratic. Okay. And y equal to ax cubed plus b x squared plus cx plus d. A different from 0. We call cubic. Okay. Cubic means the degree is 3. Okay. And y equal to ax 4 plus bx cubed plus cx squared plus dx plus e, and that a different from 0. We call it quadratic. Okay. It is the family of the polynomial, and we had to review and remind it. Okay. Now I want to show you about solving quadratic equation. Okay. Solving quadratic. Okay. Equation. We have 4 types. We have factorize, the quadratic. Okay. And use the null method. Okay. Null factor. Okay. Null factor law. Okay. It means that if a b equal to 0, then a 0 or b equal to 0. Okay. The second one is about complete the square. Okay, complete the square. And then use the quadratic. Completing the square, we have to put it in a minus b square something like a minus 2ab plus b square, and then a plus b square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, and then use the quadratic. Okay. Quadratic formula. Quadratic formula we refer to data equal b square minus 4ac, and x1 equal to minus b minus the square root data divide to a, and x2 equal to minus b plus square root delta divide to a. Okay. And then we use the technology. We can use Wolfram or some app that support quadratic formula. Okay. So we have to remember how to solve the quadratic function. So the quadratic function I mean that ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. And we have 4 methods. Okay, the first factorial quadratic, we use a times b equal to 0, and then a equal to 0, b equal to 0. And then completing square, we use both formula. You can use this one or this one, and use the quadratic formula data. Okay, so equal b square minus 4ab 4ac. Okay, and then x1 equal to minus b minus square root data divided by 2a, x2 equal to minus b plus square root data divided 2a. Okay, then okay, mean that the root of the function it support the function is just like x squared minus 3x plus 2. When you want to solve this quadratic function, you can use 4 of them, but you can factorize it. Okay, x minus 1 or x minus 2. Okay, and then equal to 0. You can find x minus 1 equal to 0, or x minus 2 equal to 0, and then x equal to 1 or x equal to 2. Yeah, this is the function of the quadratic function. And if you put x equal to 1, mean that if x equal to 1, imply that 1 square minus 3, 1 plus 2 equal to 0. True or false? 1 minus 3 plus 2 equal to 0, and it is 0 equal to 0. It is true. Okay. And then x equal to 2. It means that 2 square. Okay. 2 square minus 3, 2 plus 2 equal to 0, and then 4 minus 6 plus 2 equal to 0, and then 0 equal to 0, true. Okay, so all the root is satisfy the function and make it true. Okay, and now I introduce you about solving by factorization. Okay, solving quadratic. Solving by factorization. Factorize means that we factorization. Okay. Solving by factorization, we put the function into the form it means that ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, and then you can take x squared plus x plus c over a, and then x squared plus b divided a x plus c divided a equal to 0. You can factorize x1 x minus x2 equal to 0. and then we can find x equal to x0, or we use the u0, okay, and x equal to x2. Okay, it is a satisfied function. Yes. Now I introduce one more about okay, x squared equal to 5x. Okay, x squared equal to 5x. If you can find it in that as x minus 5x equal to 0, and then x minus 5, we factorize it. Okay, and then x equal to 0, or x equal to x minus 5 equal to 0, and then x equal to 5. So it is I mean that we're solving about it. Okay, now we have about okay, EG2. Okay, EG2 we say about 3x squared plus 5x equal to 0. How can we solve it? Okay, this we can find x 3x plus 5 equal to 0, and then we've found that it is x equal to 0, or x equal to minus 5 over 3. Okay, yeah. And then here we have one more about x squared equal to 5x plus 6. Yeah. So in here, how can you solve it? Okay, the first you need to put to replace it to the left hand side. Okay, and then equivalent to x minus x plus 1, x minus 6, okay, equal to 0. And then we can find x equal to minus 1, or x equal to 6. Yeah. So you need to find about the root of the quadratic function. Now if I have another function by okay, 4x squared plus 1, 4x. Okay, how can we find the value of x, or the root of the quadratic function? The first thing we need to find is 4x squared minus 4x minus plus 1 equal to 0, and then we put 2x squared minus 2x 1 plus 1 squared equal to 0, and then 2x minus 1 squared equal to 0. So after that we can find 2x minus 1 equal to 0, mean that we take by square. Okay, and then x equal to 1 over 2. One more about b. Okay, 6x squared equal to 11x plus 10. Okay, how can you factorize it? Okay, it is 6x squared minus 11x minus 10 equal to 0. It is difficult to find, we need to factorize it, and we can make the cross product. Okay, and then we can take 2x minus 5 times 3x plus 2 equal to 0. When I want to expand it, it can find the second one. Yeah. So you can divide polynomial or something like the cross product. You can use the cross product. Okay, and then x equal to 5 divided by 2, or x equal to minus 2 divided by 3. Yeah. Okay. Okay, one more question. Okay, about solve for 3x plus 2 divided by x equal to -7. Uh, when we find about the x, we should multiply x squared plus 2 equal to divided by x equal to -7 divided 7x divided by x. Okay, and then 3x squared plus 7x plus 2 divided by x equal to 0. And then we just put x different from 0. It cannot equal to 0. Yeah. So you need to put x equal to 0. Yeah. And then how can we find the root of this one? Yeah. If x equal to -2, mean that when you put x equal to -2, okay, it is 12 minus 14 plus 2 equal to 0. Yeah, it is 0, true. Yeah. So it is true, equal to 0. And then here we just find about we can find x plus 2. We factorize it. Okay. And then it is x plus 2 and 3x plus 1. It will equal to this one. You can test it. Okay. And equal to 0, then can x equal to -2 or x equal to -1/3. Okay. So this one say about the quadratic function, yeah, by factorization. Now we just find about the exercise here. I will put the exercise, a lot of exercise, but I think you can solve it. Okay. So the following by factorization. Okay. The first one is A is 4x squared 7x plus 1. Okay. So what is the answer of this one? Very easy for this one. We just factorize x, 4x plus 7 equal to 0, and imply that x equal to 0, or 4x plus 7 equal to 0. After that, you can find x equal to -7 divided by 4. Yeah. B. Okay. 6x squared plus 2x equal to 0. They have many exercise here, and then what is the answer? You can guess or you can notify it. It is when you factorize x, it is 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Yeah. And then we can find x equal to 0, or x equal to -2 divided by 6. Okay, or -1 divided by 3. When we simplify it, you see 3x squared minus 7x equal to 0. Okay, what is the answer of this one? You can put x and then 3x minus 7 equal to 0. you can see x equal to 0 or x equal to 7 divided by 3. Yeah. How about D? Remember 2x squared minus 11x equal to 0. What is the answer of this one? You can factorize x. It is 2x minus 11 equal to 0. Okay. Imply that any x equal to 0 or x equal to 11 divided by 2. Yeah. E. Yeah. They have many exercise. 3x squared equal to 8x. Yeah. So when the answer is the x 3x square minus 8x equal to 0, you can find x 3x minus 8 equal to 0. Done. The answer is x equal to 0 or x equal to 8 divided by 3. Yeah. F. 9x equal to 6x square. Okay. 9x equal to 6x square. So they will 9x minus 6x square equal to 0. We can find x 9 minus 6x equal to 0, or we can find x equal to 0 or x equal to 9 divided by 6 or 3 divided by 2. Yeah. G. Yeah. Okay, G. X squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. We can find the formula this when we factorize it first. X minus 1 or x plus 1 or x minus 6 equal to 0. Yeah. After that, you can see x equal to minus 1 or x equal to 6. Yeah. GH. Okay. X squared equal to 2x plus 8. You can factorize x squared minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Yeah. And then you can factorize this x minus 8 minus 4. Okay. X plus 2. And then x equal to 0, you can find x equal to 4 or x equal to minus 2. Yeah. Okay. X squared plus 21 equal to 10x. Immediately we can find x squared minus 10x plus 21 equal to 0. So we can put x minus 3, x minus 7 equal to 0, x equal to 3 or x equal to 7. Yeah. J. Okay. 9 plus x squared equal to 6x. We can put x squared minus 6x minus 9 equal to 0. and then we can factorize x minus 3, okay, and x we can put x minus 3 plus, okay, minus 3, okay, equal to x minus 3 square equal to 0, so x equal to 3. Okay, yeah. X square plus x equal to 12. Simplify it, x square minus plus x minus 12 equal to 0, and then you can factorize x minus 3, x plus 4 equal to 0. We can find x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 4. Then we have x square plus 8x equal to 63. Okay. So, and after that we have find x square plus 8x minus 33 equal to 0. X square we can factorize, okay, to 4x minus plus 6 minus 49, okay, 0, and then here is x plus 4 square equal to 49. X plus 4 equal to plus or minus 7, or x equal to minus 4 plus or minus 7, and x equal to minus 11, or x equal to 3. Yeah. So the quadratic function we have to solve them. Yeah, they have another solved by a quadratic function. So by factorization means that a 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. We need to factorize them. Yeah, we need to factorize. How can we factorize them? You can put 3x squared, okay, minus 2 times 3x and minus plus 2, it is 2 square equal to 0, and then we can find 3x minus 2 square equal to 0, or 3x equal to 2, x equal to 2 divided by 3. Okay. B, yeah, B 2x squared minus 13x minus 7 equal to 0. We can factorize them. We can factorize. You just put. You can do the easy way. Minus 7 divided by 2 equal to 0. Yeah. And then you put x squared minus 2x, and then it must be 13 divided by 4. We just put 13 divided by 4 square minus 13 divided by 4 square minus 7 divided by 2 equal to 0. And then along with this one we can x plus x minus 13 divided by 4 square, and then here is 169 divided by 16 minus 7 divided by 2. So it is 8 times 8 equal to 0. After that, you can continue to that one. It is x minus 13 divided by 4 square minus 16 minus 56 divided by 16 equal to 0. X minus 13 divided by 4 square minus 5 1 is 2, it is 2 16 equal to 0. And then x minus 34 square equal to 12 divided by 4 square. Okay. And then x minus 13 divided by 4 square, and if 15 plus or minus 15 divided by 4. So equal to 13 divided by 4 plus or minus 15 divided by 4. It will be two value. They have 28 divided by 4 or minus 2 divided by 4. So it is 7 or it is minus 1 divided by 2. Yeah. We have another one about C. Okay, we have C. 3x squared equal to 16x plus 12. Here 3x squared minus 6x minus 12 equal to 0. After that, you find x squared minus 16 divided by 3x minus 12 divided by 3 equal to 0. And then you can find x squared minus 2x 8 divided by 3 plus 8 divided by 3 square minus 8 divided by 3 square minus 12 divided by 3 equal to 0. Here we got x minus 8 divided by 3 square minus 64 divided by 9, 12 divided by 3 times 3, okay, equal to 0. So you get x minus 8 divided by 3 square minus it is 9, 64 minus 36 divided by 9 equal to 0. Then x minus 8 divided by 3 square equal to 100 divided by 9. And then x minus 8 over 3 equal to plus 10 divided by 3. Then x equal to 8 divided by 3 plus or minus 10 divided by 3. Okay, so we have two values. They have 6 and minus 2 divided by 3. Yeah. After that, you need D. Okay. D. This is something about x squared minus plus 5x equal to 2. Yeah. And then it is 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. So the tricky way about this one is we can find that x equal to minus plus 1 or minus 1. But it is equal to 1, it not be 0. A equal to minus 1, it cannot be 0. Yeah. How can we solve this? We need to find x squared. We can factorize 3x minus 2 divided by 3 equal to 0. And then it is x squared plus 2 divided by times x times 5 divided by 6, and then plus 5 divided by 6 square minus 5 divided by 6 square minus 2 divided by 3 equal to 0. Then this go to formula x plus 5 divided by 6 square minus 25 divided by 36, and then 3 times 12, 2 times 12 equal to 0. So the x plus 5 divided by 6 square minus 25 divided by 36 minus 24 divided by 36 equal to 0. So the minus 49 divided by 36, the x plus 5 divided by 6. Okay. Yeah. So x equal to plus or minus 7 divided by 6 minus 5 divided by 6. And then they have 2 minus 12 divided by 6, or 2 divided by 6 1 over 3 is minus 2. Yeah. One more exercise. We have f. Okay, 3x squared plus 8x plus 4 equal to 0. How can we solve this one? Okay, we solve it by we factorize x. X squared plus 8 divided by 3x plus 4 divided by 3 equal to 0. And then x squared plus 2 times x times 4 divided by 3 plus 4 divided by 3 square minus 4 divided by 3 square plus 4 divided by 3 equal to 0. Here it is x plus 4 divided by 3 square. Here minus 16 divided by 9 plus 4 divided by 3 equal to 0. So x plus 4 divided by 3 square, minus 16 divided by 9 plus 9, it is times 3, it is 12 equal to 0. So it equal to 4 divided by 9, x plus 4 divided by 3 square equal to 0. We get x plus 4 divided by 3 equal to plus or minus 2 divided by 3. X equal to minus 4 divided by 3 plus or minus 2 divided by 3. So x equal to, they have two values, minus 6 divided by 3 and minus 2 divided by 3. So it is minus 2. Okay. This is the answer of the quadratic function. Okay, G 3x squared equal to 10x plus 8. it is 3x squared minus 10x minus 8 equal to 0. Then we can find x squared minus 12 divided by 3x. Minus 8 divided by 3 equal to 0. Okay. Then we can find that x squared we factorize, we mean plus, we take minus 2, then 5 divided by 3, and then it x. So it will be 5 divided by 3 minus 5 divided by 3 square minus 8 divided by 3 equal to 0. Here we got this one, it is x minus 5 divided by 3 square minus 25 divided by 9 minus 8 divided by 3 equal to 0. So x minus 5 divided by 3 square minus 25 divided by 9 minus it is 3 times 3 is 9, 8 times 3 equal to 0. You then can factorize 3 minus 25 divided by 9, 24 divided by 9 equal to 0. So you get x minus 5 divided by 3 square minus 49 divided by 9 equal to 0. You then can find x minus 5 divided by 3 equal to plus or minus 7 divided by 3, because 49 is 7, 7 square, 9 is 3 square. So x equal to 5 divided by 3 plus or minus 7 divided by 3 equal to 12 divided by 3 and minus 2 divided by 3. If 4, it is minus 2 divided by 3. Yeah. If you have any question, you can ask me, because maybe you have some question. Okay, thank you for study here, and then see you tomorrow at the same time from 5 to 6. They have many lesson and many exercise about solving the quadratic function by factorization and completed thin square. Tomorrow or the next video is about complete the square, solving by the complete thin square. Okay, so thank you, and see you the next time. Okay.